Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about matchmaking. The first problem in matchmaking is each astrologers use kutas as a technique. They use nakshatra kuta as a technique. They try to match the nakshatra kutas and they try to tell their entire impact. The problem with this methodology is this. You cannot answer basic question like how will be the person's career, whether he will make money, whether he will be having kids, whether he will have own house, whether he will get along well with the mother-in-law. Like that, there will be a lot of questions in the client mind. Now you need to sit down and answer that question. That is only possible if you take the horoscope and you try to analyze it, and that is how you will get your what we call it as a answers to the question. If you are not very clear about this particular methodology, I have written a book on matchmaking which is available to you, which you can buy, read, and we have told the method how to compare between the two horoscopes and how to do that, which will give you a very good idea about it. The other problem is people talk about Mangal Dosh without telling the remedy. The remedy for Mangal Dosh is praying Lord Subramanya. If you do the puja, abhishekam, the Mangal Dosh will disappear across. But the main problem with many of the astrologers is they don't know the remedy, but they know the disease. So they are unable to tell a lot of things about this particular way. Oh, whether this is going to be like this or like that. Somebody called me up very recently and they wanted to check about the Mangal Dosh. I told, yes, your boy has Mangal Dosh, but it is not very severe. If Mangal Dosh is in the second house, the person will have a very harsh speech. If the Mangal Dosh in the fourth house, the person will have problem in buying the land and the person will be unforgiving. If the Mangal Dosh is in the seventh and the eighth house, person will find it very difficult to have conjugal relationship or sexual relationship will have a problem. If there are 12th house Mars is there, then the person will have problem related with sleep. So the main problem with the matchmaking is you can take one negative horoscope which is Mangal Dosh and you can try to match it with another Mangal Dosh. But the problem is sometimes the horoscope is good, the family is good, but you are not able to match it because the astrologer has said no, it does not match. So please understand that this is one of the problem. So you have to divide the horoscope into three levels. The horoscope which can be rectified with muhurta, whether the horoscope can be rectified with that of what you call remedial measure, or the horoscopes cannot be rectified with muhurta or remedial measure. Once you understand this way, then it is very easy for you to go ahead and help the person. The problem is some of the biggest astrologers in India or one who is very famous have no technical knowledge about the remedial measure. This include B.V. Raman. This include a lot of present generation of astrologers who are famous in North India, whom we do not want to talk about it. The problem is once you don't have a remedial measure, it will be very difficult to solve many problems. Now these people talk about remedial measure being charlatans, what is going to happen will happen and all that. It is absolute nonsense. Let me give you an example. There was a guy who was having Rahu Dasha and Rahu was probably in the seventh house. A lot of people talked about his disturbed married life and all that particular thing across. So we told him that he has to do for Rahu Dasha remedial measure, since the Venus was in Viparit Rajoga from Rahu or from the Lagna, and this helped us to freeze down If you do Mahalakshmi Puja, you would become very, very successful across. So we did the particular puja, the guy became very, very successful. So the first, and everybody was shocked because they were expecting Rahu Dasha, it's very bad, you're going to go down, there's nothing which is going to happen like this across. But actually the person came out of all the trouble and all the difficulties across. So the point is, knowing the right remedy, doing the right remedy is not only a knack but also a greater understanding. So just look into the horoscope and find out whether remedial measures can be done. Now, if you have no idea about remedial measure, I have written a book on remedial measure. I have put classes in remedial measure which can be very, very helpful to you as a person, and you can use it in your day-to-day practice. This is not some kind of a book promotion exercise or a video promotion exercise, but a genuine sense of knowledge sharing across. So since if you know the remedial measure, then you will be able to handle 70-80% of the client very, very easily across as a person. Therefore, you should come to the understanding that matchmaking is a difficult subject, but it is not impossible. I have seen lot of astrologers using nakshatra kutas. They take 100, 200 horoscope, just with a minute they start throwing down. It will require minimum 15 to 20 minutes for you to read a horoscope and come to a conclusion about that particular horoscope. So without viewing it from many angles, people try to throw down the horoscope and simply say this does not match, this does not match, and try to charge in a very low rate. For example, if somebody is selected for a HR interview, it will take some time for them to come to a conclusion. Same way, analysis is going to take time, and somebody is asking such a crucial decision, it would be very difficult for you to pronounce it just like that. Now, many people have no idea about the remedial measure. Many astrologers are frightened of taking a decision for others. So they simply say, no, it does not match. No, it does not match. They don't take time to understand the horoscope. They don't take time to read the horoscope. They say what is written is pre-written and all that particular way they contribute about. They say what is written cannot be rewritten, which means the fate is written across on that thing. Yes, there is bound to be some amount of failure, some amount of great glorifying success. Sachin Tendulkar scores less than 50 innings and he becomes a legendary cricketer. So in the same way, it's going to take some time for you to come to that level of competence where you just by look at the horoscope and do that. Otherwise, it's a lot of hard work. So take time to find out about the horoscope, check the detail, and then you can do the matching. It will be very easy. Many people don't have an idea. They separate lovers, they separate good families, they separate a variety of things without understanding the impact they have on their life. I know many astrologers have a tough time in their life because they play with other people's karma without understanding the consequences about it. So I request you to go through all these things before you talk about rejecting a horoscope. Always check whether the remedies are available. It will be a lot more helpful to you. Thank you.